I could do with some exercise, so I thought I'm going to take the bike out. It's a nice day. And of course, you got to have your breasts in there. Hello. It's almost the golden hour. I'm going to go outside, have a little picnic, and fly the drone and ride the bike. So we're down here with the drone, cakes. I'm going to go through there where the sunlight is. Little path there, nice golden hour. Look at that. Let's see, hopefully there's no one about. I can't see anybody. Let's get the drone up. Spot number 2. Oh, I'm a bit out of breath. We're going to go over there. Don't want to miss the light. Got my breath back a little bit. Going to go through there, hopefully. There's the sun. Don't know about the penetration there, but we'll see. Oh, my heart's racing now. So, down at the bridge. And then over here, there is, oh no, it's not that. Anyway, this is where we're at. So that was a good little session. Let's stop this beeping. I managed to get in a few little things, nothing too crazy. I didn't record every time I stopped. But yeah, we've lost the light now. It's looking nice though. We'll see what we can do on the old computer. And let's see what type of edit I can make. I can have my little picnic now. I can eat my sandwich. That's proper difficult, riding and stopping, and then my goggles were steaming up. I was like, my word. I got halfway across there and I couldn't see a thing, had to return. Because these cheap goggles don't have a fan in. They've got a vent, but no fan. But yeah. So because the camera's new to me, I'm not sure what filters to use. So some of it was done with the ND8 filter, and then when it started to get darker, I switched it over to now we just got the lens protector, so there's no filter at all. So I'll see what the difference is. Packed up on the little helipad. I quite like the green propellers. These are 3x3x3s. HQ props. Much better than Gem fan. Wow, look at this. Bit windy on my microphone maybe. So full moon coming up, packed up my stuff up. I'm like, oh my word, I've got to film that. If we come around this way, look. So hopefully, I don't know if I've got the shutter set right. But, you know, it is what it is.